know it's been a hot minute since I made a video, but I have not forgotten about you. I actually made a Halloween costume video, if you guys saw my flamingo costume on Instagram, but I didn't edit it in time for Halloween. So like, I didn't know what to do, so I never posted it, but maybe I will eventually. But anyways, for now, you guys are getting my house tour because Alex and I have finally settled into our apartment. We've been here for like 3 months now. It's pretty cool. And we don't have everything put together exactly, but it's a work in progress and I just cannot wait to show you guys what we've got so far, so let's check it out. I realized I just skipped all introductions and went straight into babbling, so if you guys are new to my channel, this is my channel. I'm Karley and I do a little bit of pink everything. So if you like a little bit of pink everything, subscribe. Alright fams, so right when you walk in the door, you see pretty much the entire place. To our right, we have a closet. Woohoo! It's actually a lot deeper than you'd expect. It's very messy, just warning you now. Woo! Lots of stuff. Alright, so let's check out the kitchen. So when you walk in our little kitchen here, we got these pretty cute counters that I'm happy about. I like the color. I really wish that the cabinets were white or a lighter color, but that's just me, as you know. We got some nice appliances, all by Whirlpool. This is not a Whirlpool ad though. Let's check out what's in the fridge, shall we? Heck yeah, I'm gonna show you in my fridge because I have no chill. Got some bread, we got a lot of almond milk, and I thought this would be more exciting, but there's just a lot of condiments and no food, so we're gonna close that up. So we really wanted to commit to this pink and green theme, which I'm freaking loving. So yes! We got pink plates, pink little plates, bowls, green of the same, a lot of Tupperware going on up there. We got this new sink head from IKEA. I'm actually so obsessed with it. It's like randomly so aesthetic. It's like an art piece in our kitchen. Also, side note, read these books as soon as you can. Alright, so beside our little kitchen here, we've got a laundry room, which doesn't sound exciting, but it truly is so awesome to have our own laundry in our building so that we don't have to leave when we do laundry. Yeah! Moving on to the most exciting part, I think, of this apartment tour. Okay, starting off this room, we have this beautiful light that we stole from Alex's parents. I think it honestly finishes off the room so nicely. As you can see though, we don't really have any other lighting right now, so we have to do something about that. We really want to get a painted surfboard above this couch. We think it would look like super cute surfer vibes to go with our like surfboardy table there. I think that would be just like so freaking cute and beachy in the depths of Toronto winters. Moving on to our couch here, I'm absolutely obsessed with it. We bought it from EQ3. This couch took a while to come because we had picked out the fabric and the leg style and everything like that. But it's honestly so worth it. Oh, hi Roomba! And we got this unicorn from my little brother. Now Alex and I want like so many neon lights everywhere in our place. Moving to our beautiful, I think this is called a Majesty Palm. It was on sale for 20 bucks from our like local grocery store, and I'm obsessed with everything plants, and so is Alex. Like, we just want to fill our place with as many like beautiful big trees as possible. It really just, it just feels more homey and just more alive, you know? Moving on to this part of the room, we've got this awesome table it's from IKEA, but we actually got it on Kijiji for a big deal, which is so awesome. It's great because you can like store all of your junk in it, and it's all hidden away so that you can leave all your cute aesthetic things on the top of it. We got this rug from IKEA. I really love it. I think it's called Lurk. It's not expensive at all. It's super durable, and it's just like got a good beachy vibe. I do really want to add some floor pillows because I find Alex and I, since we don't have like a dining table, are always sitting on the floor. So I'd love to just like make it a bit cozier, add some little pillows and more throw blankets, and yeah. So on our table, we've got this hefty photo album that we filled with all our memories. Oh my gosh, that's baby Alex and Ringo the cat. So cute. Okay, yeah, but yeah, basically a book of us and me, basically. One of my friends got me this beautiful orchid that matches our neon light, which matches the pillows. It's just like all pink and green, and it is my jam. And lots of candles everywhere to make this place smell so freaking delicious. Currently smells like pumpkin cupcake. Also, not really sure where I'm gonna put this ukulele, but for now it just sits in the corner. So this is our TV and our little TV stand thing from IKEA. We first contemplated over one with like closed doors, but I don't really care that you can see the mess. It's kind of cool. You can see our Nintendo 64, the PS4, some other junk, GameCube and stuff like that. Up next is this beautiful chair we got from EQ3. This we bought with our couch, and we chose the leather and the backing velvet of this couch. Chair. It's really beautiful. Alex is like obsessed with it. Super comfy, and it just goes really well, in my opinion, with our other kind of like beachy pink and green pastel vibes. No, I'm saying, where am I? Vibes. On to the bathroom. Woo! Yes. All right, so we've got a sink. Yes, but I'm really loving this like marble countertop. Super cute for a bathroom. I kind of wish it was our kitchen countertop as well. It's super freaking aesthetic. Alex really wanted this Gucci Mane book. Pretty interesting bathroom read, if you ask me. And those are my earrings on top, which are freaking so cool. We got another, this one's fake this time, and another candle. Freaking love that this mirror is so huge in this bathroom. It's pretty small, and when we first moved in, we really wanted to wallpaper this wall. We still might, but we have like other priorities now, but I would love to get a beautiful wallpaper from Etsy with like green palms on it, or like pink flamingos or something like that. That'd be so cute, right? Like if you agree. This is our shower curtain, which I got from Winners. It's DKNY, I think. And we got these towels from IKEA and from Winners. A lot of our stuff we got from either IKEA or Winners, just like some great stuff. Oh, this not aesthetic towel is, for anyone with colored hair knows you need the non-aesthetic towel to like dye your hair with, so that's what that is. Just ignore that. I almost forgot to show you our baby, the only pet we have right now. We're like obsessed with her. Come on out. Get it, Roomba. That's our girl. Oh, here she comes. Right, next up is our entrance to the bedroom, which is probably classified as a den in Toronto, which is crazy. So another thing we really want to do is get our friends, which we have a lot of friends who are artists. We just want them to paint our wall. Like this wall right here, just whatever you feel like painting, like go nuts. This right here will be a banana tree, so just picture that right now. This is a really cute mirror that my little brother actually painted for us, so thanks, Travis. All right, on to the bedroom. This is a bed frame from IKEA, bedding from IKEA, fairy lights from Amazon. Got this little shaggy rug from, I believe, HomeSense. And like the rest of this is mainly from Winners or from my mom. This is a little TV that we would love to hang up over here, but we just haven't gotten around to it yet, but we'll definitely do that soon. This is our view from the bedroom. It's like sucky because there's like a building right there and you can see into everyone's private lives, unless you're into that. But it's kind of cool. We overlook Liberty Village, which is one of Alex and my favorite places in Toronto. So it's pretty cool. A lot of people have dogs, so we're always dog scoping. All right, last but not least is our closet. Whoa, I should have cleaned it before, but that's okay. Let's take a look. So our bedroom doesn't have a light yet, as you see, so we have to, figure that out too. So yeah, it's gonna be super dark in the winter here, so we're gonna get on getting some lighting really soon. So yeah, back to this closet. It's walk-in, it's pretty big. Very messy, but you get the gist. It's like perfect for two people, even for people who have clothing addictions like me. Let's check out the balcony. Oh. So cold out. But yeah, so we have a nice view of Lake Ontario. It's actually so cold out right now. But yeah, we also have like a nice view of the stadium here, which always has fireworks, which is super adorable. We got a highway, we got a long way down. We also have these chairs, and we had to sit on these chairs when we didn't have a couch for a while, and like, so we had this in the living room, and they're like the most uncomfortable chairs ever, so we're thinking of getting like little cushions for them, but like they're pretty cute. And that's my little apartment. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was super fun to film. I love showing you guys around my place. But yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below any videos you'd like to see. I'm pretty open to mostly anything. And yeah, I promise I will be back very shortly, and I love you all. Yeah. You're cool.